Can you really make $500 today on Social Rebel? That's the question I'm going to answer in this video. I'm going to do a Social Rebel review, and I want you to stay tuned right to the very end, because if you're thinking of joining Social Rebel, you need to listen to what I'm going to say, because it might influence you actually joining or not. Okay, so let's crack on and let's go over to the Social Rebel website and check it out. Okay, so as you can see, we've come on to the socialrebel.co website, and as you can see, obviously it says here various different things flashing across the screen. The main one it's saying, obviously, can you make $500 now? Earn cash, not swag or points. You can sign up and obviously earn that from anywhere, anytime. So let's find out how you're going to actually earn that money. Okay, so we click on to the Why Social Rebel, and this is how you're actually going to earn your money. So they offer real cash, and you can earn with surveys, and you can earn with apps. Now you test out free apps and games and get paid, and you share your opinions on surveys, etc., and get paid. I've done plenty of reviews on survey sites and app sites and things like that, and you can check them all out on my playlist right here. I think it's a pretty tall task to turn around and say that you can actually earn $500 a day. In fact, I'd say that it's probably darn near impossible to, if you're just literally doing surveys and downloading apps and playing games. But let's go on and let's just back that up with some more stuff that I found when I went through the actual Social Rebel websites. Obviously, stay tuned right to the very end as well. I'm also going to show you a group of videos that I've done that you can actually go and check out, that are probably the best ones that I've come across for earning money with surveys and with apps. So stay tuned for that. So let's click on and let's go over to the About Us tab. Let's find out a little bit more about this company and this website. So as you can see, it says Social Rebel was founded back in 2018 by two businessmen, Ralph Lawson and Chad Evans. Okay, well, let's go and do a little bit more digging on that. Let's head over to a site called who.is, and as you can see here, I've actually put in the socialrebel.co website here, and this basically tells me when it was registered and also gives us a date. So as you can see, it was actually only registered back on the 17th of August 2021. Now, that's just literally over a month. That's about 5 weeks ago, guys. So for them to turn around and actually say on their About Us page that they were founded in 2018 is false. It's as simple as that. It's not good. Obviously, it says down here as well, it's award winning. Well, it just doesn't say what awards they've won. Maybe for the bullshit company of the year, I suppose. I don't know, because they certainly haven't really won any awards. They haven't been going long enough to win any awards. It says they've also got over 550,000 users across 4 continents. Okay, but then it also says here that they actually, Rebel Search has reached all regions of the world. Well, no, it's not. It's only reached 4 continents, so that's not correct. I think it's more 4 continents across the world. But hey, that's just a minor issue. Let's go across and find out some more major issues that you really need to be knowing about. This is their history. Like I say, they're saying here January 2018, etc., etc., etc. Now, here is their team. Well, they say obviously it's Ralph Lawson and Chad Evans. Well, I went and had a look at Chad Evans and searched this image on Google, and as you can see, possible related search to a Jacob Morad. And obviously, if you know Jacob Morad, and this site has nothing to do with him, and so why they're using his image, I do not know. But it's also on various other different sites. The Sun.co.uk, the Scottish Sun. It's been in, so it's been in the newspapers. It's obviously been in other things as well. Beechwood Dental, Hatfield. So this guy is a dentist. He's nothing to do with Social Rebel. So they've just taken this image off the internet So that again is false. And I've searched the same ones here. Let's just take Julia Parker, who's supposed to be the customer support. Good big thumbs up from her. But as you can see, go to Google and it just says this is an image of a happy woman. And if you scroll down here, it's on other sites: Pinterest, FreePic, Stock.Adobe. Now, all of these, some of these are literally stock image sites. So that's what they've gone and done. They've just gone and picked up a free image off the stock image sites. So again, that is not good sign, guys. Okay, so they've also got here testimonials. Now, the testimonials on this page, you've got some here, which is what they've put on. All of these images, guys, all these testimonials, absolutely fake. I've tested a few of these images again, and they are just stock images. These people are not real people. Now, you may see some video testimonials like these that are actually on the website and on YouTube. Now, when people become a member, you can get paid for actually doing a Social Rebel honest review. You have to submit it to them, you have to say certain things, and then you will get paid $50. So this is why these people have actually made these videos. They haven't actually got paid out yet because it's only 5 weeks old, guys. No one is getting paid out yet because it's too early. You won't have met the criteria of getting paid out. So, but I can assure you they are not going to be paying out. So again, like I said, if you want some legitimate sites to go and earn money by clicking on ads and downloading apps, then like I say, check out the videos at the end of this video that I'll be showing you, and then you can actually go and do it legitimately. But let's just quickly go and round up the payment proofs. They've got a payment proof section here. So we click on that. So surely some people must have been paid if it's they've got payment proofs. So let's go and have a look. This guy has been, well, it says here, this guy has actually pulled out over 8,400. So as you can see here, guys, those images again are possibly false, and I can show you that they're false. If you scroll down, and we keep scrolling, I did see one here. There we go, guys. This one has actually got a date on the bottom of it, and it says the 9th of April 2021. Well, as we know, the website wasn't actually registered until August 2021. So that proves that this is a scam, and they are just made up fake testimonials. This one's actually got a date as well, which is January the 22nd, 2020. So that is way back in time, way before a Social Rebel was even thought about, I expect. In truth, guys, to answer the initial question, can you go and make $500 today? The answer would be probably not. No, and you're definitely not going to make that on Social Rebel. Now, even if you do make it and you do actually get the points and you do get the cash in your account, they are not going to pay you out. It's as simple as that. If you go through their terms and conditions, there are so many reasons why they are not going to pay you out, and they will literally just come up with some reason, and then they will just void your account and delete your account, because this is what these guys do. If you check out this playlist here, then these are all the scams that I've uncovered that are very similar to this, and if you go through some of those videos, you'll see everything that I've just literally gone through today will be replicated mainly on those sites. So we know that they're not going to pay out. So what I would say is definitely do not go and waste your time with this. They will not pay out, and I would then go and look somewhere else. Okay, I trust you found that interesting and useful. If you did, obviously smash up the like button, obviously share this video out so more people can see it. Also, if you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to the channel right now, hit that notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. Don't forget to watch this video next, and we will see you on the next video.